What if the map of South Asia were to drastically redraw itself? As economic pressures mount in Pakistan, could long simmering separatist movements finally boil over? And what would that mean for its giant neighbor, India? From the rugged terrains of Baluchistan, echoing with calls for self-determination, to the historical yearning for Sindhu Desh and the Pashtun desire for unity, separatist sentiments have long existed within Pakistan. Now, exacerbated by a struggling economy, these voices might find renewed strength. Imagine a scenario where these pressures lead to a redrawing of the map. We could see the emergence of multiple new states, each grappling with its own identity, resources, and future. For India, a fragmented Pakistan could, in theory, bring some advantages. A decrease in centrally coordinated cross-border terrorism, a diminished military threat from a smaller neighbor, and new avenues for regional trade and economic engagement are possibilities. However, the path to division is fraught with peril. The immediate aftermath could unleash widespread instability, a massive refugee crisis spilling across borders, and the terrifying specter of nuclear weapons falling into the wrong hands. New border disputes and the rise of ungoverned spaces could create fresh security nightmares for India. The most pressing concern for India would undoubtedly be the security of Pakistan's nuclear arsenal. Ensuring these weapons remain out of the hands of rogue elements or unstable regimes would be paramount, demanding intense international diplomacy and vigilance. For India, a fractured frontier would necessitate a complete recalibration of its foreign and security policies. Engaging with multiple new entities, managing complex border dynamics, and countering potential new threats would become the new reality. Will unity prevail, or will division take root? The future of Pakistan remains uncertain. But for India, understanding the potential ramifications of its neighbors' fragmentation is crucial. In a region already fraught with complexities, the emergence of new nations could usher in an era of both unprecedented challenges and, perhaps, unforeseen opportunities. What do you think lies ahead for Pakistan? Share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more videos.